allows users to upload a certain number of e-invoices in batches by uploading predefined Microsoft Excel spreadsheet that contains the necessary invoice information into MyInvoice portal. The Excel spreadsheet template can be found in the batch upload pop-up of the MyInvoice portal. Firstly, taxpayer will need to upload the batch upload draft into MyInvoice portal based on the Excel template that was prepared within the portal. To navigate towards the draft section, select the New Document button on the left side navigation panel. Then, select the Draft tab. Click on Batch Upload to upload batch documents. After clicking Batch Upload, users will see a Batch Upload pop-up with the Batch Upload template file available for download. Click on the download link to download the Excel template file. Users can rename the Excel as per their organization's requirement when uploading to the portal. Open the Excel template and fill in the sheet with appropriate data. There are 11 sheets for users to fill in. This includes documents, reference number, customs forms, document references, document line items at classifications, line item taxes, line item discounts, line item charges, document total tax, document discounts, and document charges. We will now go through the field descriptions, format, and examples for each sheet. This is the document sheet, which contains 77 fields for users to fill in. Examples have been added in yellow boxes under each field. The documents should contain basic information related to a document such as invoice number, document type, and others. You may refer to the following table that is also available in the user guide to assist you when filling in the Excel sheet. The reference number custom forms sheet contains 3 fields for users to fill in, which contains information related to custom import forms for the document in the documents sheet. Use the table in the user guide as a reference for completing the Excel sheet. The document references sheet contains 4 fields for users to fill in regarding billing references of the document in the documents sheet. The user guide includes a reference table to assist you in accurately completing the Excel sheet. The document line items sheet contains 11 fields for users to fill in. These fields are to be filled with information relating to line items information of the documents listed in the documents sheet. To ensure correct data entry, refer to the detailed paper in the user guide when filling out the Excel sheet. The line items at classifications sheet contains 3 fields for users to fill in. Fields such as document internal ID, line item ID, and classifications are information relating to the classifications of the line items for documents listed in documents and document line items. For support with Excel sheet completion, consult the reference table in the user guide. The line items taxes sheet contains 9 fields for users to fill in, which covers the taxes on line items for documents and line items included in documents sheet and document line items respectively. If you need help completing the Excel sheet, refer to the table in the user guide for assistance. The line items discounts sheet contains 5 fields for users to fill in. These include document internal ID, line item ID, discount rate, discount amount, and discount description that relates to the discounts on line items for the documents mentioned in the document sheet, as well as line items in documents line items sheet. The user guide includes a reference table to assist you in accurately completing the Excel sheet. The line items charges sheet contains 5 fields for users to fill in. These include the document internal ID, line item ID, charge rate, charge amount, and charge description. These fields consist of information that relates to the charges on line items for the documents in the document sheet, as well as the line items in the document line items sheet. Please refer to the accompanying table in the user guide for Excel sheet guidance. The document total tax sheet contains 6 fields for users to fill in that contains the information of the invoice level tax. Check the user guide table for Excel sheet instructions. The document discounts sheet contains 3 fields for users to fill in. These include document internal ID, discount description, and discount amount information which relates to the invoice discounts. The user guide includes a reference table to assist you in accurately completing the Excel sheet. Finally, the document charges sheet contains 3 fields for users to fill in. These include the document internal ID, charge description, and charge amount. This information should relate to invoice charges. Please refer to the accompanying table in the user guide for Excel sheet guidance. Once you have filled in all 11 sheets, return to the MyInvoice portal. Click on Choose File and upload the Excel file from your system. Kindly note that the maximum number of documents in the Excel file should not exceed 100 documents per file, and the total size should not exceed 25 MB. After the file has finished uploading, click on Start Processing button. Once the file has been uploaded successfully, you will see the following pop-up. Click on the Finished button to exit. You will see Draft in Draft Grid Preview. To access your draft document, select the New Document button on the left side navigation panel, then select the Draft tab. To submit a single document, identify the document you want to submit. Then click on the 3 dots on the far right of the table and you will see an option to sign and submit. Click on the Sign and Submit button to proceed to the signing page. To sign the document, choose your ID type. Enter your user ID in the designated field and type in your password. Next, acknowledge this statement by checking the box. Finally, click on Submit to finalize the signing process. After digital validation, the document will be created with the following pop-up notifying that the documents have been submitted successfully. To submit multiple documents, select Multiple Documents. Then, click on the Sign and Submit button near the top right to proceed to the signing page. This follows a similar process. To sign the document, choose your ID type. Enter your user ID in the designated field and type in your password. Next, acknowledge the statement by checking the box. Finally, click on Submit to finalize the signing process. After signing and submitting the document, a notification pop-up will appear to indicate that the documents have been submitted successfully. To delete a single document, identify the document you want to delete. Then click on the 3 dots on the far right of the table and you will see an option to delete. After clicking the Delete button, you will see a pop-up. Click on the Yes, Delete button. After deletion, you will see the notification on top right that lets user know that the delete operation has been successfully executed. To delete multiple documents, select Multiple Documents and click on the Delete button at the top. After clicking the Delete button, you'll see a pop-up. Click on the Yes, Delete button. After deletion, you'll see the following pop-up that notifies successful document deletions.